The Klipsch Pro Media 2.1 THX certified computer speaker system combines high-quality audio engineering from Klipsch with the powerful, cinema-like experience of THX certification, making it a top choice for those who crave immersive sound. Designed for gaming, movies, or music, this speaker system delivers powerful audio, filling any room with clarity and punch. Key features: legendary Klipsch sound and THX certification. Experience audio excellence with the Pro Media system, blending the iconic sound quality of Klipsch with THX certification. This powerful combination brings an authentic, theater-grade audio experience to your personal space. Exclusive Microtractrix horn technology. Klipsch's Microtractrix horn technology elevates the audio clarity, delivering crisp, clean sounds across all audio levels. This design optimizes sound efficiency, ensuring every watt is fully utilized to deliver exceptional precision and detail. Powerful bass with a side-firing subwoofer. The 6.5-inch side-firing, ported subwoofer produces bass that you can feel, creating a full-bodied soundscape. The subwoofer pairs seamlessly with the 3-inch mid-range drivers in the two-way satellite speakers, providing balanced audio across the entire frequency range. Impressive output and volume control. With 200 watts of peak power and an in-room volume capacity of 110 dB, comparable to live rock music, the Pro Media system is built for powerful sound. The easy-to-use control pod includes volume adjustments for both the main system and subwoofer, letting you fine-tune your listening experience with ease. Universal compatibility. The Pro Media speaker system is compatible with TVs, computers, smartphones, and gaming consoles via a simple plug-and-play 3.5mm input, making it versatile enough for all your entertainment needs. Dimensions. Satellite speakers, 8.5-inch H x 4.2 W x 5.67 D. Subwoofer, 9.5-inch H x 9.8 W x 10.2 D. Customer feedback. Customers rave about the sound quality, value for money, and ease of setup. Many mention the speaker's professional look and sturdy build. Reviews highlight clarity, depth, and the immersive bass quality, all at an affordable price. However, some users have noted the absence of an on-off switch, which could be a drawback for certain setups. Overall, the Klipsch Pro Media 2.1 THX certified speaker system is praised for its ability to deliver high-quality audio performance and impressive power, making it a compelling choice for audiophiles, gamers, and movie enthusiasts alike.